So today, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to review the VK40 lighting and green screen kit from NearStream. This is the first time I'll be working with a green screen without being on a professional set, so I'm excited to see what we can come up with. So before I do anything, I have to unbox it. Inside, I found the green screen backdrop, a Velcro bag with the parts for the background stand, 2 soft boxes, 3 stands for the lights, 6 clamps, a 19-inch key light with a remote, 2 45-watt bulbs, the instructions, and a zip-up case to carry everything in. For the lighting, I started with the backlights. Just attach the soft boxes to their tripods using the locking knobs, spread them out all the way, and then snap this piece into place so it can hold its shape. Then just screw in the 45-watt bulb and attach the Velcro cover. If you put one on each side of the screen, it'll make sure it's well lit enough to remove in post. After I did that, I opened up the key light. This is the one that'll be shining on the subject in front of the screen. Twist it onto one of the tripods, tighten the knob on the side, and flip the switch on the cord to turn it on. It also comes with a remote, so I just pressed the pairing button until the light on the panel flashed, and then I was able to control the brightness levels, the color temperature, and even preset the lighting mode. To get started with installation, I opened up the bag with the background parts inside and removed the 4 metal poles that the backdrop hangs from, and the 2 adjustable stands. Then I laid the poles out on a flat surface and connected them with this little silver thing. If you connect all of them, it comes out to about 9 feet. My space isn't huge, so I just left one out to shorten the length. Then I unfolded and set up the 2 stands for the backdrop, and placed the pole on top of each one so they connect. After that, I twisted on the knob on one end until it was pretty tight, and did the same on the other end. This can be raised all the way up to about 9 feet, so I adjusted both of the stands until the top was leveled out, and then put some weight on the bottom of both ends so they don't tip over. Next, all that's left to do is unfold the backdrop and throw it over the top. I did have some wrinkles in it, but that's nothing a garment steamer can't fix. Then I just attached 2 of the plastic clamps, one on each side, and it was ready to go. So now that I've got it all set up, it's time to put it into action.
Alright, so it's super simple to actually set this up. We have the video capture device, which is a webcam, and then the backdrop, we start from fresh. You go ahead and just equip the webcam, and then it's going to look like this. You go to filters, and then you have chroma key, so you add this on the bottom. This is what it looks like without that. And then if we go ahead and use, so we're going to add a chroma key. This is what it's going to look like without any adjustments. You can adjust the softness on it, which by default, it is really good. It looks good even on the screen here, so it's perfect if you do live streams all the time. This is what it's going to look like.